Well, in this sample numerical, a car A moving at 10 meter per second on a straight road is ahead of car B moving in the same direction at 6 meter per second. Find the velocity of A relative to B and vice versa. Means you are asked to find the velocity of A relative to B, and also vice versa means relative velocity of B with respect to A. So we have drawn the situation. A is ahead, moving ahead, B is behind. A is actually traveling with 10 meter per second and B is traveling with 6 meter per second. So first we are going to find what is the velocity of A relative to B. So we write velocity of A relative to B. Relative we don't write, we write with respect to B. If you remember the formula, we write like this: velocity of A with respect to B equals to VA minus dV. Now the rule is, we will assume that body A, car A, velocity is VA. So VA is 10 meter per second and VB is 6 meter per second. Now you will notice that both the cars are moving in the same direction. It is given in the question, same direction. So when the direction is same, means both are positive. So we have assumed that both the cars are moving towards right. So in this case we have taken right side as positive. So we have taken this velocity of A as positive, even the velocity of B as positive. Now let us find what is the velocity of A with respect to B, VAB. Now as per the formula, it is 10, this is 6, answer is 4 meter per second. Answer is positive. Now we have to interpret the result. What you got? See, listen carefully. If you don't understand, pause the video, come back to this point, rewind it and again see. When you find the answer VAB equals to 4 meter per second, you have to interpret the result. So answer is first is positive. So to write the positive velocity indicates that car A is moving ahead. Positive means ahead of car B at the rate of 4 meter per second. So once you find the answer, velocity of A with respect to B or velocity of A relative to B, answer is 4 meter per second. And here, after finding the answer, we write the interpretation like that. This is the most important part. Now how to write this answer? See how I have written, which considerations I have kept in mind. Remember, there is a trick. We are finding velocity of A with respect to B. See, with respect to B. Imagine in a gathering, someone is a respectable person, and we always offer to ask the respectable person to speak something. So respectable person is always given the first chance to express something. Like that, here, who is the respectable? it is not a respectable person or like that, just we are comparing velocity of A with respect to B. So with respect to B, that means you can think like B is the respectable person. So now B will say its own feeling. See what B feels we have written here. Answer is 4 meter per second. So you are interpreting the result, considering the feeling of B. What B is feeling? The positive velocity indicates that car A is moving ahead of car B at the rate of 4 meter per second. So car B will see that the car A is just traveling at a speed of 4 meter per second, and that also car A is ahead of B. It's correct. If you are driving and someone is driving a car, and if you are in car B, what do you see? You always see that car A is moving ahead of him, but with what velocity the car is moving? You will not see the velocity of the car to be moving at 10 meter per second. You will see the velocity of the car to be only 4 meter per second. Actually it is moving with 10 meter per second, but you will feel like the car is moving with 4 meter per second. Now why this thing comes? Because you are also in motion. So you are measuring the velocity of the car A from your car B, and you are in motion. So that is the concept of relative velocity. So velocity of A with respect to B means you are watching the velocity of A from your car B, and you are writing that expression. So velocity, the positive velocity indicates that car A is moving ahead because positive of car B at a rate of 4 meter per second. Now if we find the second part, velocity of B with respect to A. Therefore what we write here? Similarly, now velocity of B with respect to A. It is, formula says that it is VB minus VA. So just put the values, you will understand. VB is 6, VA is 10. So answer is 4 meter per second. Now how do we express negative? No, the negative velocity. Now you are going to write the feeling or the expression of which? Here who is the respectable one? Just remember, velocity of B with respect to A. So you are going to write the feeling of car A. Okay, so velocity of B with respect to A. So you are going to write the feeling of car A. What car A feels about car B? Answer is negative. So the negative velocity, just look here. Positive velocity indicates that car A is moving ahead. So then here the negative velocity indicates that the car B is lagging behind, minus, answer is minus, is lagging behind at the rate of 4 meter per second. So once again you see, we have written VBA means velocity of B with respect to A. We got the answer as minus 4 meter per second. So we are going to write, whose expression we are going to write? We are going to write down the feeling of car A, because velocity of B with respect to A. So what does car A feel? Car A will see that car B is lagging behind A. It's correct. B is following A. So B is lagging A, but B is moving with a velocity of how much? Only 4 meter per second. But actually B is moving with 6 meter per second. So whenever you are in a car and another car is also moving, you always see the relative velocity of that car. You don't see the actual velocity. Like in this example, velocity of B with respect to A. So A feels that car B is moving with a velocity of only 4 meter per second. Minus means lagging, but actually it is moving with 6 meter per second. That is the concept of relative velocity. Let me take another numerical sample, numerical number 2.